All right here have the Aventik's ice fishing combo. This is the 32-inch model, so it comes nicely packaged in this box. I love that I can already tell it's going to be a compact product and easy to travel. Kept safe by foam. And here you can see inside of the box, it starts. We have the owner's manuals. This is going to be all the maintenance, care instructions, things like that. That's awesome. Then we have the rod itself. So I like that there's protective plastic around the cork that's going to keep it from getting damaged while we travel. And then it has this nice bright LED marker tip, so it's just going to be easier to see, if you're fishing early morning, late at night. So we'll go ahead and get this lined up. There's our rod, looking really good. It has a split handle, which I like, just makes it easy to hold on to. And then it's a nice weight here. So you see it has a really good action. A lot of the bend is right at the tip, which is what you want. Set that aside, let's see what else we have. So it comes with some ice fishing jigs, so that's awesome. So we have 4 different types of rubbers and then an assortment of jig heads, which will be great. Then it comes with the Aventik's AW300 reel. And the reel's actually already spooled, which is just fantastic. So you're really ready to hit the road with this thing. As you can see here, we just need to tighten the handle down. You have to do this with any reel, and generally when you're transporting them, you want to loosen it up so it's more flexible. So I appreciate that they did have that. I love the look of this little reel. The matte black on red just looks awesome. It looks really sleek, really professional. Nice and dark with a little bit of gleam. Also comes with ice fishing line. So this is 1/0 line, so it's 0.165 millimeters and 4-pound test. You have some spare line to get you started, which is great. So we'll go ahead and set the box aside. We're gonna get this plastic taken off and get the reel hooked up. All right, so this is what the whole package looks like put together. It's really sleek, really smooth. Again, I like this, this half handle here. It allows you to kind of rest that nicely against the back of your arm, which feels really comfortable. Just super easy to hold, almost effortless. And again, this is the Aventik's Aurora MH32 model. So Aurora is one of their ice fishing rods, and then 32 is just, 32 inches. The reel itself has a really smooth action, which is awesome. Drag, easy to adjust, really great. All in all, just an awesome combo to get you started ice fishing. If this is your first time ice fishing, or if you've been doing it for years, this is just a rod that's gonna treat you well and last you many seasons. So can't wait to get this out on the ice.